Welcome back to Therani, I'm Joe B. Today I'll show you how to walk properly with the wide base quad cane. Let's dive in. The wide base quad cane is a common assistive device preference for stroke patients who are ready balance and coordination-wise to transition from the hemi walker. The appropriateness of it stems from the fact that stroke patients will most of the time have one-sided weakness, may it be the right or the left side. Due to only one strong side, the wide base quad cane is normally held on that side. Although narrower and smaller base than the hemi walker, but due to the presence of 4 prongs, it offers better stability to prevent falls as compared to the narrow base quad cane. Here are the parts of the wide base quad cane. To adjust the height of the wide base quad cane, the patient should stand hip width apart and elbows fully extended. The wide base quad cane should be placed at the good or sound side first. And a big part of that is due to the fact that the patient's unsound or weak lower extremity can vary in height depending on the hypotonicity or reduced muscle tone, or hypertonicity or increased tone. The presence of flexor and extensor synergy can also make the unsound leg longer or shorter, which make that side unreliable for proper height alignment. If with balance impairment, make sure that the patient can hold on to a stable object or surface. The midfoot should be in line with the main stem of the quad cane. From there, the hand grip should be in line with the greater trochanter of the femur. If unable to locate, then the wrist of the fully extended elbow could be used as a reference. To manually adjust the height, the caregiver or therapist can place the wide base quad cane upside down or horizontally to loosen the fixing clamp. First, then press the height adjustment button, moving it towards the handlebar to shorten the quad cane and away to lengthen. The flat side of the quad cane should be next to the lateral border of the foot. To walk properly with it, utilize the 3-point gait initially for better sequencing, balance, and retention of skill. The patient advances the wide base quad cane held on the sound or good side first, then the weaker or unsound leg, then the good or sound leg. Turning to the right or left should be done at a 45-degree increments with the quad cane first, then the unsound or surgical leg, then the good or sound leg. Walking backwards can be attained by advancing the quad cane backward first, then the good leg, and then the unsound leg. If you are working to improve terminal stance or initial swing face of gait where the patient needs to initiate hip hyperextension and knee flexion, then backward stepping can proceed in such a way that after moving the quad cane backwards, then the weak or unsound lower extremity should go next, then the sound side. Ensure when advancing the quad cane that the 4 prongs are flat on the ground before advancing the weak lower extremity. After each step, the feet should always end up with toes in line with each other. This gait pattern is called the 3-point step to gait since it has 3 steps. This can then be progressed to a 2-point pattern where the quad cane and the unsound lower extremities advance first. Then the sound lower extremity steps through. And if you want to learn how to walk with the hemi walker, click the next video. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment. And for more therapy animations, please subscribe to Therani.